Serotonin is the happy hormone. It is a powerful brain chemical or neurotransmitter that is found in the brain, platelets, and lining of the gut/digestive tract. There are many roles of serotonin in the body, including promoting sleep, improving mood, making us feel relaxed, and creating feelings of fullness or satisfaction after we eat. We need proper levels of serotonin in our bodies because serotonin imbalances may lead to sadness, depression, pessimism, sleep disturbances, aggression, panic, and other negative emotions and effects. Balanced serotonin levels can be maintained by taking certain dietary supplements. Let us look at some of the best natural supplements for serotonin below. 1. Ltryptophan. One of the best supplements for serotonin is Ltryptophan, which is an essential amino acid required by the body to synthesize serotonin. Taking serotonin supplements boosts serotonin levels even for healthy non-depressed individuals. It is a natural supplement great for helping those with insomnia and depression by providing a calming effect and helping them process emotions in a more positive way. 2. Same. Another supplement good for increasing serotonin levels in the body is S-adenosine or SAMe. It is produced from the amino acid methionine and is important for many processes in the body, including the synthesis of serotonin. It helps improve brain function and protects the body from neurological disorders. It has been used to treat depression in Europe for over 30 years, and a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that supplementation with SAMe was a safe, effective treatment for depression. 3. 5-HTP. 5-HTP or 5-hydroxytryptophan is a supplement that is well absorbed by the body and is converted into serotonin when it is taken as a supplement and crosses the blood-brain barrier. Research shows that 5-HTP supplements are effective in treating depression, sleep problems, binge eating, as well as anxiety and panic disorders. 4. St. Johns Wort. St. Johns Wort is a herbal supplement that enhances the activity of serotonin. It contains powerful extracts that inhibit the reuptake of serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine. Reuptake is a process where neurotransmitters are naturally reabsorbed back into nerve cells in the brain after they are released to transmit signals between nerve cells. A reuptake inhibitor is important because it prevents this from happening immediately and stays put temporarily in the gap between the nerve cells called the synapse. Research has shown that St. Johns Wort works the same as standard antidepressant drugs such as Paxil. Paxil is a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor antidepressant that is used to treat conditions such as depression, OCD, PTSD, and panic attacks, among others. 5. Omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids, by here, are another important serotonin-boosting supplement. It is primarily derived from fish oils, though it can also be got from flaxseed oil. This natural supplement helps in enhancing cognitive function and in the transmission of nerve pulses, which is very useful as serotonin is a neurotransmitter that sends information between nerve cells by crossing a synapse.